Have you ever wondered how many versions of you might be in existence? The idea that there are multiple versions of you existing across worlds too numerous to count is a long way from our intuitive experience. It sure looks and feels like each of us is just one person, living just one life, waking up every day in the same, one and only world. Yet, this perspective, born from the theories of the multiverse, challenges us to expand our imagination beyond the confines of the familiar, inviting us to contemplate the boundless diversity of existence that might extend far beyond what meets the eye. But according to quantum mechanics, every fundamental event that has multiple possible outcomes, whether it's a particle of light hitting Mars or a molecule in the flame bouncing off your teapot, splits the world into alternate realities. The understanding of quantum physics, consciousness, and the connection between the two is not merely limited to the pursuit of knowledge. It directly affects your daily life and, thus, has a practical aspect to it. If you instill this knowledge into your daily life, you can actually have a much greater degree of control. Instead of being taken for a ride, you could consciously choose which waves to ride. In cosmology and theoretical physics, the concept of the multiverse states the existence of multiple universes beyond our own observable universe. It posits that there could be a vast array of other universes, each with its own set of physical laws, properties, and conditions, coexisting alongside our own universe. It's absolutely possible that there are multiple worlds where you made different decisions. Before you look at an object, whether it's an electron or an atom or whatever, it's not in any definite location. It might be more likely that you observe it in one place or another, but it's not actually located at any particular place. Nearly a century of experimentation has confirmed that, strange as it seems, this phenomenon is a core aspect of the physical world. Why should an object's behavior depend on whether or not somebody was looking at it? The consciousness that humans experience is a microcosm of the larger universal consciousness. As such, our role and place in reality becomes ever more significant. When it comes to quantum physics, it is often said that you can't have a universe, or reality, without the mind entering into it. It is generally thought that the mind actually shapes the very thing that is being perceived. In simpler words, you shape your reality. One could imagine a scenario where every decision you've ever contemplated, every path you've hesitated to tread, and every potential you've ever held within your grasp, all of these are not just abstract musings. They are real, tangible occurrences existing within an intricate web of realities. In the ever-expanding multiverse, every choice you could have made or will ever make has manifested in one of its countless universes. This staggering proposition ignites a profound question. How does this understanding shape our perception of the world and our place in it? At first glance, the idea might seem like the stuff of science fiction, conjuring images of alternate dimensions and parallel lives. However, the multiverse theory holds a deeper significance, one that intertwines with the very nature of our conscious existence. The crux of this concept lies in the connection between your consciousness and the quantum nature of reality. Picture your consciousness as the architect of your personal reality. It stands at the crossroads of countless potentialities, holding the power to sculpt the world around you. When you make a choice, such as opting to pursue a career as a lawyer, that choice becomes a living thread in the fabric of the multiverse. In one universe, you might have chosen to become a writer, while in another, an artist, and in yet another, an astronaut. Each of these choices forms a unique reality within the vast quantum landscape. Your journey is not confined to a linear narrative. It is an ever-expanding saga that defies the limits of space and time. The implications of this understanding are awe-inspiring. It implies that your consciousness is not merely a passive observer, but an active participant in shaping the universe you experience. The choices you make are not predetermined by fate. Instead, they are influenced by the interplay between your conscious awareness and the myriad possibilities present in the quantum realm. Consider the power this revelation places in your hands. The concept of the multiverse underscores the limitless potentiality of your existence. Whatever you aspire to become, know that these paths have already been blazed within the realm of the multiverse. However, this power isn't bestowed effortlessly. It requires a conscious alignment of your intentions, desires, and actions. Your consciousness serves as the focal point upon which the weight of choice rests. By cultivating mindfulness and focusing your thoughts, you can steer the course of your reality toward the outcomes you envision. Being fully engaged in whatever you're doing, whether it's a simple daily task or a complex activity, without being distracted by past regrets or future worries, is crucial. Time is not a straight line, but rather a complex matrix, where each moment is inextricably linked to others. Since past, present, and future coexist, our actions in the present moment ripple both backward and forward, shaping the entire continuum of time. In the grand mosaic of existence, every brushstroke of choice contributes to the masterpiece of your life. The multiverse theory grants us a profound perspective, reminding us that we are not passive spectators in a predetermined world. Instead, we are active creators, shaping the narrative of our lives through the choices we make. Embrace your role as main character, steering your journey through the multiverse toward the reality you wish to experience. For within the convergence of consciousness and quantum potentiality, the story of your existence unfolds across dimensions, echoing with the whispers of choices both made and yet to be. The notion of infinite universes brimming with diverse realities might challenge conventional wisdom, but it also opens doors to a realm of limitless possibilities. It is an invitation to step beyond the boundaries of the known, to leap into the unknown with the knowledge that every leap lands you in a reality shaped by your very desires and choices. Every decision, no matter how small, sets into motion a series of events that ripple across dimensions. The decision you make today resonates across your tomorrow, generating a narrative that is uniquely yours.